If you're nasty and you know it, dye your hair. Watch me turn my client Bree, who I actually met at a Rico Nasty show, to this gorgeous purple made by Rico herself. This was her before, and I like my lightning kit a little extra thick when I'm balayaging.
So I made a little 2 square inch section on the side. We're gonna color block this entire section here. Then over here. And then we're gonna add some subtle dimension throughout the rest of the canvas.
You can see I'm taking decently large sections while I paint, and I'm leaving it off the scalp to ensure a subtle grow out. All of her inspiration was like larger color blocking, which will look great because Bree likes to wear her hair braided most of the time. We checked that porosity and lifted to about a level 7. We wanted to make sure her hair stays nice and healthy, so a level 9 or 10 wasn't necessary since it is a darker shade. We're gonna rinse, 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 and detangle. Here it is post lightener, and now it's ready to soak up all this gorgeous color. Ugh, just look at her. I'm applying the color and making sure I saturate really well. Using plenty of product and working it into the hair is crucial for a consistent end result. After letting it process for about 30 minutes, we're gonna rinse again, shampoo, and condition. We styled it into these cute little buns, and we are both obsessed. What are you waiting for? It's time to get nasty.